This could only mean one thing. We're back at Ogallala, here in Nebraska. Look at this. The Crystal Palace Saloon, the front street of this old cowboy town. There's a little bit of everything here. General store, a jail, a tonsorial palace, undertaker, where cowboys rest, of course the saloon, and a livery. Or livery. Here we go again. My pronunciation of that word catches me every time. Now, when I was a young cowpoke, I used to come to this general store and I used to get me some scotch. But they wouldn't sell it to me because I was too young. They had it in the back. Well, Dad, he always went to jail after he got some scotch. Not sure what happened, but he always went into that saloon over there. That saloon brought a lot of problems to our household. God rest his soul when we had to take him to the undertaker. They carried him in a little wagon like this, a little carriage. But that was a good day. Mom, Pa, and Mother, Pa, they got together. They met each other right there in that saloon too. So, let's take a look around and see how the old West was. Well, it's been a long time, but this one's closed. We gotta try another way of entry.
Howdy, partner.
Howdy, partner. An old stove there. A couple old pianos in this antique shop. How things used to be. He remembers how things used to be. I remember when I was a young girl, that boy asked me out, and you know what he said? Howdy, ma'am. A little bit of history about the Ogallalas jail. He's getting a shave and a haircut. And you're next. Here's some of the pricing. Prairie Rodeo Museum right there. Some old country heritage right here. How they used to play, read books. There's Red Ryder. Here's a nice marriage license here. Some fine china. This is Anna Juranek Razik. .4-H leader. I was in 4-H. This is a very nice museum, actually. I did not know this was actually here. The last time we were in this area, the entire place was closed, but this time we are here and discovering history. Wow. Buffalo Bill. He had a house not too far from here. Indians of the Plains. Some of their stonework. A lot of cast iron was used. That's what I'm learning how to cook on now. I have not heard of this place, Ash Hollow State Historical Park. those legs. Oh, showed me a little skin there. Wow. She caught me looking. Well, with that little spill, here's why. Gypsy Lynn is a soiled dove. Well, sorta. Here they are. Prostitutes in the Old West. Look at that lucky guy. That's what they wore. Used to help the old gunslingers out in saloons. The cowboy. Here's some stuff in the men's restroom. Here's a little bit about the Mitchell Ketchum murders. And there they are. There's a wandering cowboy right there. 25 years old. They looked a lot older back then. Well, here it is. Nebraska Sandhills warrior rabbit. Look at that. Sam Bass, he was a train robber. Well, here's something I've used a time or two. The Undertaker is preparing a prayer for the dead. And right in there is the old saloon. Go in there and get yourself a drink. I am coming. Buffalo Bill's motto. If you're ever down in this area in Nebraska, take a wagon, a carriage down here, and go check out this museum. It is pretty nice indeed. So, see you on Front Street. Also, a cool fact. This restaurant here at the Crystal Palace Saloon sells a nice delicacy, Rocky Mountain oysters. Come get some.